My dear students, competitive chemistry NEET 2026, JEE 2026 focus. This question belongs to NEET 2019. What is this question? The number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber process. First of all, you are expected to know what is Haber process. Haber process is the process to prepare ammonia by using nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, Haber process is the process to prepare ammonia. We can prepare ammonia gas by using high pressure, low temperature, and molybdenum as a promoter, iron as a catalyst. Okay, go for equation. N2 plus 3H2, 2NH3. This is the balanced equation. 1 mole nitrogen, 3 moles hydrogen gives 2 moles ammonia. Okay. According to this equation, this 2 moles of ammonia requires the relation between hydrogen and ammonia. So 2 moles of ammonia requires how much? 3 moles of hydrogen gas. 2 moles of ammonia requires 3 moles of hydrogen gas. What question is 20 moles of ammonia requires how much hydrogen? According to this equation, 2 moles of ammonia requires 3 moles of hydrogen. What about 20 moles of ammonia requires? Generally, the answer is more. So 20 upon 2 into 3. 2 ones, 2 tens, 10 into 3, 30 moles is the right answer. Thank you.